Introducing the Nike SB Dunk Low Big Money Savings sneakers, which were released on April 17, 2024. They're the perfect choice for people with a penchant for vintage vibes and sustainable fashion. Designed in a mix of Baroque brown, off-white, sandy brown, dark smoky gray, and aqua paradise, they reflect the eclectic range of goods that can be found in antique, vintage, and thrift stores. Note the suede overlays reminiscent of well-worn leathers and rope-textured laces that speak to the craftsmanship and quality of bygone eras. The inner tongue of the sneaker is emblazoned with the bold, big money savings lettering. The retail price of $125 has now climbed to $200 on the secondary market and will continue to climb. What do you think?
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.